Hello, this is Invest Library and sa video na to ipapakita namin kung paano magbayad ng PLDT bills online using Pay Express Online ng PLDT. And if you are interested for more tips like this and some investment ideas, please click the subscribe button. First, mag-login muna tayo sa PLDT home website with your email address and password. After signing in, it will show yung mga accounts natin with PLDT. Since isa lang yung PLDT line ko, isa lang din yung nagpapakita account. So in this account, click Manage. And then on the next page, makikita natin yung balance details or the amount na kailangan bayaran for this bill. And para mabayaran to online, we need to open the actual monthly bill first. So to do that, click Billing and Payment dito sa left side. And then look for View Billing Statements. Click natin tong Go button. And then it will list the history of bills by month. Yung latest bill normally is nasa taas, pero double check nyo din next time baka baguhin nila. So right beside the bill or the month, click View. And then your PLDT bill will appear. Kailangan natin dito yung QR code. So para ma-scan yung QR code, kailangan naman natin ng cellphone na may naka-install na QR scanner. So pause muna natin to and then on my cellphone, search ko yung Avira QR scanner. You can use any QR scanner app, but for me, familiar na kasi ako sa Avira apps, so I'll use Avira QR code. You can download it for free sa App Store or sa Play Store. Going back sa bill natin, ito na yung QR code na kailangan nating i-scan. And using my phone, open natin tong Avira QR code and scan this. And then after ma-scan, it will redirect us to a link or to another page. Click this open button. And then enter the 10-digit PLDT account number and then click submit. Your payment details will show up. Sa Pay Express Online, may option tayo magbayad either debit card or mas kilala natin as ATM card. Or you can pay using your credit card. So for now, piliin natin tong credit card. And then may redirect tayo sa Peso Pay payment gateway. So let's wait very quick. And then select the card type. Since my credit card is a Visa type, I'll pick Visa. And then add the credit card details like the credit card number, expiration date. After this, carefully review the payment details. Kung tama lahat, click OK. And hintayin lang natin matapos yung pag-process, like for this one. Yeah. For security purposes, you will be asked for an OTP or a one-time PIN na isi-send sa registered phone number mo. Once ma-receive mo yung OTP or this one-time PIN, enter this PIN or number and then click hit or click submit button. If successful yung payment, you will see your payment confirmation details. If you want a hard copy or if you want to print this, you may click this print button. If hindi naman, just go ahead and click continue. And then on this screen, you also have an option na isend naman to sa email address mo. To do that, just enter your email address and then click this mail icon. Finally, a new message will pop up saying that the email was successfully sent. And that's it! Nakapagbayad tayo ng PLDT bill online. Sana nakatulong kami. If you find this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. And this is Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!